when we talk about angles, guys, the concept doesn't change. We're just gonna use different terminology. So what does angle addition postulate say?
EDG is congruent to FGH.
No, Brandon, just generalize it. What's the angle addition postulate? Is it the same thing as the segment addition postulate?
Kinda.
Yeah, it's a sum of the parts equals the whole, right? Okay. Except what parts are we adding? Parts of what? Angles. So sum of the parts equals the whole. Okay, so the sum of my two parts, ABD and DBC, give me ABC. The sum of my parts equals the whole. That's the angle addition postulate. So we look at the proof that's down below. We're given just a limited amount of information here. We're given the EDG. So guys, look at this angle. EDG is congruent to FDH. Okay, so the first line of any proof is what changes from line 1 to line 2?
Def of
Def of Kong. I would change the congruent symbol. So what's really happening on line 3? What are they doing? We're adding up the parts to get the whole angle, right? So what do we call that? Angle addition postulate. Almost, right? So except we're adding up angles. So it's angles, I call this ANGAD post. So how do we get line 4? Yeah, okay, so Spencer, where am I substituting? How am I substituting? No. It is substitution. You guys want to take this? I'll take these values right here from line 3 and I'm substituting them into the equation of line 2. So in place of EDG, I'm putting angle 1 plus angle 2. So that is going to be substitution. But what do you notice here? What do they have on both sides? So what can we do with those 2's? Subtract them. And then I'm going from equals to congruence, therefore, okay. Again, how bad were these?
Come on, Mr. Thomas.
Really bad? Yeah. Well, here's another. I think we've got all these. All right. So guys, I feel like we're done here. You guys are on. Okay. I'm gonna look to you guys. You guys tell me. Is this something you guys want to revisit? Which is basically taking yesterday's information and putting it into geometric equations.
No.
You guys feel like? All right. We'll do it a little faster. What's QA and QA? No, guys. Which one of the properties of equality is that?
Trans.
How about reflexive? When it's the same thing on both sides, that's reflexive.
Okay.
Yeah.
I need
What about number 2?
transitive.
That's transitive. Good job, Brandon. Number 3. If Q is between P and R, then PR is equal to PQ plus QR. No. Segment addition postulate. Okay, now carefully here, number 4. If AB plus BC equals EF plus FG, and AB plus BC equals AC, then EF plus FG equals AC. I think you could call that either substitution, or you could also call that transitive.
I was thinking.
All right, so there we go. We'll stop there.